Tempat sana ya Pak.
Assalamualaikum, Ryan. Can you hear me? I'm not gonna jump straight into the thing. All right, Ryan, you okay, Ryan? Okay, we start now. I'm just gonna. Another one. Hold on. Where is it? Just 1 second. You want to go through cones and pyramids, right? Okay. Let me see. Where is it? I think this is okay. This is the other one. Okay, I think somewhere here. Okay. What we do now, first thing you need to do is I need to test you on the basics now. Okay, so you're gonna know what's the formula. We need to know the formulas now. So formula for area of circle. You know the formula, right? Which is, you just tell me, just tell me.
5
Pi r squared, pi r squared. So you got to memorize this. This is area. The other one is okay, area lah. For now it's area. So the other one is now triangle. Area of triangle. You got to memorize this. Otherwise you'll feel very lost now. So this one is half base times height. You can also write it as base times height divided by 2 lah. That means base and height go above BH. Berita harian over 2 lah. Okay. Now once you know this one, okay, so you tell me now volume of pyramid. What's the formula? Volume of pyramid. Okay, you have a base area times height. You must divide by 3, 1/3 lah. Divide by 3. This one way. Your school will teach you like that, 1/3 times base area. Area down here refers to base area times height. Same thing. Same thing. Just like half times base times height is the same as base times height divided by 2. For cone is the same thing. Only thing cone, the bottom, the area is a circle. You use this one as formula. Okay. So now we are going to go into the. Let's go to here. Okay. Can you try now? This one. Do we want to find the volume? Volume. Only the volume, Only the volume. You got the answer. You can either send the answer or you can. So your sound not so clear lah. You got a calculator, right? Got, okay. So let's see now. 4, 5. Okay. Let's see. 27 times 24. That's the area now. Times height 30. Must divide by 3. Let me see, 27 times 24 times 30 divided by 3. Let's see now. You have. Okay, so what's the right answer then? What's the right answer? Remember, 1/3 times base area times height. That's the formula. Well done, well done. Okay, this is okay. So now we then will move for, let's say, to find the height. I think we have done this, but we try this again. They want you, no, this one. This one. They want you to find the height. So you write down the formula. Okay, I'll write down the formula that we agree already, which is what? Volume is equals to base area times height divided by 3. So the first thing you must do is this is equals to volume of pyramid. I want you to express H equals to something. What is the formula? H equals to what? You move it around. Move it around. You can use seesaw method or whatever method you want. You give me the formula first before we go. Can? So what's the formula? You can write on top lah. Yeah. Or you send me. Oh, on top here. Oh, you're done already. Okay. So you're done. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna just move it around. So let me see. So H is equals, we want to find the height, right? Equals to 3V over A. Which means 3V over A. So 3 times down here now, 3 times volume is 388 divided by area, must divide area, so 5 times 5 here. Let's see. Okay, we will check now. You said answer is 75, right? 3 times 388 divided by 25. I get 46 point something. Do you divide by 5 only or divide by 5 times 5? Because this is, do you get this formula? Then you must first of all, because this is the formula to find height. Now how we do find the formula? So I'm going to show you step by step. So maybe if you're not comfortable with seesaw the thing, no problem. First of all, we want to get rid of the 3 here. We times by 3. Can you see now? I can cancel. But I must also times this by 3. Okay? Now the next one now. I want to get rid of the what? Of the A. So I divide it by A. Can you see now? I divide by A. Cancel the A. I must also divide it by A here. So what do you have left? You have H left. What is it equals to? V times 3. 3V over A. So you must put in the values down here. Once you get this formula, you know what to do. 3 times volume. 3 times volume down here, they give you what? 388. 388. Then divided by what? Divide by area. This area, where's the area? This is the part down here now. How to find the area? 5 times 5 is the area. Okay, you can put down here 5 times 5 or 25. Okay, so you have already given the answer now. What is the answer? I never see. Okay. Okay, so you need to see lah. So in the end, your answer will be 46.56 lah. Okay, we move on. It's okay. We try until you are very clear. Okay, so remember you may have to rearrange down here now. Can you try now? You have to write down the formula again. Write down the formula, and now they want area, base area. So remember the formula for what? Pyramid is what is equals to that thing? Area times height divided by 3, right? 1/3 base area times. So now they only want A. Can you move it about to make the formula? What is the formula down here? You can give the formula, you can solve, no problem. Okay. Yes, 96 is correct. So when you move it around down here, your formula, you would have gotten 3 times volume over H, correct? You got this right. That's why you could do it right. Then you substitute it value. Okay. So you must be able to do this. Not only for Sec 2 or Sec 3 onwards. You probably be taking physics and all. So you must know how to do this. Okay. Now next one. Okay. Now we try this one. They want you to find the length of. Okay. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. This one. They want you to find the volume of the pyramid. You got the height. Volume you can find quite easily lah. Volume you can, I think. But read carefully, yeah. They tell you what type of base it is. We do A first. Can find, huh? Okay, you found it. 40, let us see. Okay, both of this area below is the same thing. It's just a different way of writing. So, let us see. So now we take area. What's your area? You remember this is a square base now. 5 times 5, 25, you know. Area is 5 times 5, 25. Times the height is 6. So 25 area times height they give you is 6. Must divide by 3, you know. How much do you get? Let's see. You take the 5 times 4, cannot. If you take 5 times 4, you try. Well done. 50. So now you already gotten 50, right? Good. But the thing now, we got to find out the surface area. Surface area means the skin. So what do I mean by the skin? Okay, I just show you, okay, the skin. We have seen the skin of pyramids. Where? Down here. You put it up, become like a peeled banana, right? So now we want you to find what are the areas down here. But in order to find the area, you need to find this particular height. Which one I show you now? Watch. You need to find this height from here, because you want to find the area now. Remember you told me half times base times height. This is the base, correct? Okay, I underline the base. Okay, base, you know what is 5 already. But this height, you don't know. How to find? I use another color watch. You use Pythagoras theorem. Remember Pythagoras theorem, right? You got this one. You have to find this one. You can find because the whole thing is 5. Half of it is 2.5. You can find the red one, the slanted height. Okay, you find. First, we go step by step. We find what's a slanted height. Okay, let us see now. The height, okay. Let us do together. We do together. How do you get this one? Now, I am going to draw the thing again. I'm going to draw it outside here so that you can see clearly. This is a right angle triangle, right? So down here now, hold on. You agree now, first of all. This is 6. You agree now. This one we are trying to find out. Down here is 2.5, you know. 5 divided by 2. It's half, you know. So remember, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 6 squared plus 2.5 squared, you must square it, is equal, you know how to do. Okay. So you got x squared now. Okay, you are doing now, you're going to do now? Okay, you do now. Okay, you see whether you get the same answer now. Then you must square root the answer. Well done. Now you found already is 6.5. So I draw the triangle now. This is a triangle, right? Like that. Like that. Like this. Oh. Hold on. I'm drawing one of the triangle. There's 4 of them, right? This one is down here. Down here is 5, right? Because bottom is square. Down here to here, this one is you found 6.5. Now you can find the area of one triangle. Can you find the area of one triangle? This one is 5, yeah? $16.25, is it? Is it 16.25? Oh, hold on. 5 times. Yes, 16.25, good. Now, how many triangles are there? You got to count. 4. So you got to times the 4. Okay, times 4, times 4. Okay, good. And plus the area of the square. Area of square, base. Okay, well done. Well done. So I just run through again what we have done. What we have done is I refer to this drawing now. You found out that this one, each one of them is 16.5, right? So that we are very clear. This one is 16. Example, I'm referring to just now question. 16.25, you times by 4, and then you plus 25 over here. You got 90. Well done. So you must be doing like that all the time for surface area, total surface area. This is called total surface area. Now, sometimes you got to be careful. Sometimes this thing is not a square now. Sometimes it's like that now. It's a rectangle base. So you must remember that the triangle down here is different from the triangle down here, no? Different size. You will have 2 of each lah. This one 2, this one 2. Okay, so just be aware. Okay, we will have different triangles like that. Okay, now we move on to the next one now. Why don't we try find this one, number 9? You imagine now, you go back. This is like the cover. You are making a paper pyramid. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, this is a net now. You want to find volume first or surface area first? Surface area first, can? You do surface area first, huh? Just a clue, Ryan. Just one clue. You need to find the height, down here, Ryan. You must find the height. Remember, you use Pythagoras theorem like that to find the height. So we check first your height first lah. Once you're done height, Johnny. Mm-hmm. 16.61. Your height, is it? The height here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Du. Okay, down here, this one's how many? 10, You cannot take 20, yeah? Okay, so you must take 26 square minus this square, 10 square. Then you get the answer, then square root is. You okay, yeah? Okay, sure. 22.4. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna let me draw this. This one. This one we don't know. This one you're gonna find. So they say this is, remember, you already have the longest part, You already got 26. You don't have this one, we call X lah. You have this one 10. You must minus now 26 square minus 10 square. Then you get the answer square root. I don't plus, Then the answer down here, you go to square root it. Square root is answer. You try. It's okay, but you don't blame yourself. Right? Don't start blaming yourself, scolding yourself. You must encourage yourself. You got to be a coach to yourself now. I have one student, he's knocking his head against the wall. Don't do that. Oh, cannot. This one down here is 10. Well done. So now you can find, this is 24 now. You can find the area of the triangle. Okay. Base is 20. Height is 24. Okay, you. Nice. So, okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, well done. So now you got to find one more. You want a total surface area. You found the 4 triangle. Can you find now the missing one, which is the the square. Well done. How you understand or not? Okay, now. Okay, that's called total surface area. If you want to find volume, we have quite a problem. You know, let me show you. If you want to find volume, we must find this height now here. So far, okay, I erase the thing. So far you have on, imagine this is just now the question. You have found on here is 24, is it? That's now this one was 26, right? Remember? This one is 20, right? This one 20. This one down here is 24. But can you see now, in order to find the volume, we take base area times height, answer divide by 3. So base area we can find because 20, 20 we know. But this height now we don't have. You got to use Pythagoras theorem again. This time you use 24. You use 10 down here. Why 10? Because it's 20. What? Total is 20. Then you find this one. You know what I mean? Okay, so I will draw it on the other side. Okay, you got to find the height of the pyramid. Although they don't show it to you, you must imagine when you fold it up. This one. So I will try my best to draw the pyramid, and then I will label the height in red. Okay, now you have something like that. This is now inside. So what you want to find now is the one inside here, right? Which is going up from here, right until here. You know what to find, huh? Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna draw this triangle now. You see, we don't have the height of the pyramid. We need the height of the pyramid. Otherwise, we cannot find the volume. So now we need to draw another triangle. When we fold this up, it becomes like that. But all this triangle is at the side on here. Can you see now? All at the side. We need the center one. So I'm going to draw now. This is the center height. This one at the bottom down here. The whole thing is 20. Now it's from here, from top view. This is the line. This one is the line here. Then from here to here. This one you already found. This is you found as 24. Yes, now this angle is 24. This one is 10. Half of this one. Then going up down here, we don't know. We call this x. You got to find x. 26. Do you take 24 square minus 10 square? You plus. Remember, this is the long. You want to find the shorter side. You only when you want to find the longer side, you plus. Remember, Pythagoras theorem. You want to find shorter side, you got minus. Yes, well done. So you really got this one. Now you can find already. Okay, what is the formula? Remember, base area times height divide by 3. Where's the base area? This is the bottom part down here. Height you just found already. Well done. How was it? So when you get this, you must always ask, there's a difference in the height of the pyramid and slanted height down here. You must remember, this is slanted height now. Okay. So we do one more of this. We do one more of this. Dah habis dah. Okay, we got another one. Hold on, we got another one. Hold on. Pyramid. Another one. Hold on. It's a little bit different. Okay, can we? Okay, we try this one again. Can see now. You want to find the bottom side, You got the slanted height 17. Okay. And then what else do we have? You got the area of VAD. Okay. You got the area. Okay. Wait. Sorry, I'll give you another one. I want something very similar. Come, this one tak ada. This one can. You try this one. You must understand, this is the pyramid, Just A and B ni. You must be able to see from the angle, okay? You can see. Cannot see. Okay, now this pyramid is a triangular one. You have one triangle here. I draw from 1 sense. Allah. Okay, this whole thing is 12, right? The cube is 12. So if this is all midpoint, that means this one is 6. This one is 6. This one is 6. So I will try to draw using a straight line. Let's see. So you have down here 6 cm. This one 6 cm. This one 6 cm. Now that means the triangle is all the same size. This one is the same. This one is the same, and this one is same. Can you see three triangles here? 1, 2, 3. But there's a fourth one on top. Can you see that? Now if I make the net, I open up the net, I get one down here. I get one like that. I get another one down here also. Okay, this is for 1 and 2. Below, I get one more also down here. This is the third one. This one. But on top down here, okay, imagine now, this is like you have a shiny spot down here. This one is also another one, you know. Can see now. There's one more. There's one more. So how do I draw the net now? The other one is like down like that. But I'm not too sure, is it same size? This one, this big one. Can you see? Cannot see. Okay, but we are not finding. Okay, don't worry about the thing. Now I draw in another direction. Another direction. This now I draw from angle from here. Okay, I draw like that from this side, this point of view. So I have 1, 2. There's a triangle. 3. This one go down 4. Okay, but this now is a straight line. This is a triangle. Can see now. So now down here, you find what is the area. Formula is area times the height. What's the area here? This one is 6. This one is 6 or so. So half times base times height, you get the area here. Then times by this height. Can you try? Confused. Okay. All right. No problem. No problem. But you remember this one? I'm going to show you something now. Okay, we are going to look at the different types of pyramid. Okay, they don't have it here. So we go now to the internet. Okay, let's go to the internet. Hold on. Triangular pyramid. This is a triangular pyramid. You must have 4 sides. This is from the top now. You see 1, 2, 3, and the bottom there's 4. Can see now. So we look down here. Square one, it got 4 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Triangle one must have 3 sides, plus the bottom 4. Okay. So now if you want to find, this is the net of the triangular pyramid. So all of the same size. All of the same size. So that means this one you fold this one at the bottom. Can you imagine that? So now down here now, you want to find what is the volume. You find the area times the height divided by 3 lah. Same thing. Area of this triangle. Just one of the triangle, you find the area times the height divided by 3. Just like what we do down here. Imagine, say, where's the height? The height for this one now is down here. From here until the center down here, right? This one is the same thing now. From the center, it goes up to the height. This is the height. Okay. So now you need to find out now what is the height. So now we go back to that area. Only thing now in the question that we are doing, now here the one that we are doing this now. This one. Okay. Cool. Where is it? Oh, different book. Not this one. Hold on. This one. So done, huh? What's this one? Then 1 minute. This one. The height is where? No. The height is down here to here, which is also 6. So you got to find the area of the triangle at the bottom. You still can't get it. Cannot. Okay, never mind. Then triangular one, we'll cover another day. Okay, now we go to cones. Okay, we go to cones. Okay, cones. Okay, similar. We want to find the volume. What's you must find the area at the bottom times height divided by 3. Same thing. Can you find the area at the bottom first? This area first. The circle, right? Can you find what's the area first? Use pi, can be 22/7, can be 3.142, up to you. It's pi r squared, right? We find the area of circle first, okay? Okay, let's see. Now remember, area, the formula is pi r squared. For the circle, pi is 22 over, okay, I'll write down the formula first. Pi times r squared. So 22/7 times 4 times 4, you know, because the radius is 4. Do you do this? No, you must do this lah. Times 4 times 4. 8 times 4 times 4. How much you get? You won't get 39.5. What do you get? Okay. Now, formula for volume. So you got area here. Formula for volume, area times height divided by 3. So you take 50.3, you need to times the height divided by 3. Well done. How you get it? You know how to do now? You try B now. You try B. You try B, yeah? Same thing, you find the area of the circle first. Well done. How is it? Okay, we do one more. Hold on, we try this one. Question C. Remember, radius are not, don't take diameter, radius. Okay, what's your area of the circle? Can you find the area of the circle? 100. Okay, remember, you took pi, no? Pi r squared. Pi is 22/7, right? Oh, you sorry, 22/7 times 10 times 10. No, not 20, because radius is 10. We'll never do pi r squared. Okay, you must do pi r squared. Okay, hold on. So now, okay, we check. I think you are very close, but your dot is wrong. Hold on. So you see, 22/7. You try. Yes, correct. How is it clear now? Okay, so now you know how to do volume for pyramid, total surface area for pyramid, correct? You know volume of cone. Now, total surface area of cone, we got to learn now. Okay, we are going to go for total surface area now. Total surface area of cone is a little bit different. This outside part down here, when you fold the paper, okay, I just show you again what I showed yesterday. Cone, curved surface area. Now, you need to take a paper like that to fold into the cone. You can see now. Okay, when you fold into a cone, right, depending on how you want the shape to be, some might be like this, some might be like this. It depends on how steep you want your cone to be, like that, up to you. So the amount of paper is actually, we can calculate actually. So there's a formula here. So let us see what's the formula. This one now, hold on. They say curved surface area. That means the area, not the circle at the bottom, the curved one down here. Formula is pi times r. R is here. Times L. You get the curved surface area. Pi RL. You must memorize this one. Pi RL. The bottom one is pi r squared. Okay, pi r squared, you know. This one is pi RL. Okay, so now we go back now to Okay, now can we find for this one? Can you find now? You already found there's now the area bottom. Can you find the curved surface area? The formula is pi times r times L. Pi times r times L. Now one of them you don't have. You don't have the L. Look at the diagram. You don't have the L. You must find the L using Pythagoras theorem. This is the L you don't have now. We call it X lah. You must find this out. Can you see now? 8, 4. You must use Pythagoras theorem to find. So you find L first, huh? Remember, you want to find the longest side. We're supposed to plus, huh? .9. Let us see. Yes, well done. Okay, now you can find the curved surface already. Score the goal. Formula is pi times r times L. You find the curved surface, please. Good. That's the curved surface you already know. Now, they ask you now to find the total surface. That means you must plus the bottom one. Can you also plus the bottom one? Okay, well done. How, Ryan? You look tired, Ryan. What topic are you doing in school now? Still the same, pyramids and cones? Have you moved on to sphere? Sphere. Sphere will be the ball. Okay. So this Saturday, I'll go through triangular pyramids on Sunday. But maybe we do one more of this. But I want you now to do, hold on, this one. Can you find what's the volume you have done already? Haven't, right? Can you try volume for B and then curved surface area lah? But curved surface area, you must find the slanted height first, huh? Remember? So we do volume first. What is volume? Base area times height divided by 3. Okay, volume, A times H divided by 3. But you must find area first at the bottom, which is a circle. Remember that. I think that's now we did. You will get the same answer, no problem. Just now we did the volume. It's okay. Okay, 170 is what is it the the area what? Okay, surface area. Okay, you're doing surface area. Hold on, huh? Okay, hold on. Let me see whether surface area. But do you find this one a surface area? What's your answer for this one? From here to here. Well done. Okay, 16.6, good. So let me check, times 7 times 22 divided by 7. 22 divided by 7 times 7. 3. You got 170, is it? Okay, we try lah. Formula is pi RL. Pi RL. So 22 is 7 times 7 times 7. You try. Okay. Well done. So you know to find, I think you plus this area of the bottom lah. Okay. You wanna plus the area at the bottom, and then you get total surface area. Must plus the area at bottom. Huh? Well done. Okay, I think you are more or less all right. Are you okay, Ryan? You look so tired, huh? Okay, so you ask me whatever questions you don't know, please ask me, homework and whatnot. Okay. All right, I'll see you on Sunday then. You take care. So next week, next Monday, night. Assalamualaikum. Take care. All right, bye-bye.